It's time to do some problems on division of a fraction by a whole number. Let's start with this first one. So this is 7. Let me take some different color. We have 7 over 3 divided by 2. This division will be 7 over 3 multiplied by reciprocal of 2. So this will be 7 times 3. Now what will be reciprocal of 2? Now we know that 2 can be written as 2 over 1. And if you want to write the reciprocal of 2 over 1, that will be, what's the denominator? The denominator is 1. So make it the numerator, divide by, what's the numerator? That's 2. Make it the denominator of this fraction. So 1 over 2 is the reciprocal of 2 over 1. So 7 over 3 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 will be 1 over 2. And this will become 7 times 1 and then divide by 3 times 2. Okay, and this will be 7 divided by 6. Okay, if you want to write this in the form of a mixed fraction, then if you divide 7 by 6, you'll get 1 as a quotient, 1 as the remainder, and the 6 is here. So this is mixed form representation of 7 over 6. Let's solve the second one. So the second one is 4 over 9 divided by 5. This will be 4 over 9 multiplied by reciprocal of 5. Now 5 can be written as 5 over 1. The reciprocal of 5 over 1 will be, what's the denominator? Is 1. Make it the numerator. What's the numerator? That is 5. Make it the denominator. So 1 over 5 will be reciprocal of 5. 4 over 9 times 1 over 5. Then this will be 4 times 1 divided by 9 times 5. This will become 4 divided by 9 5, 45. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4 and 9 times 5 is what? Is 45. The third one, 6 over 13 divided by 7. So this will be 6 over 13 multiplied by reciprocal of 7. So this will become 6 over 13 multiplied by 7 can be written as 7 over 1, right? Now this 7 is the numerator, make it the denominator. 1 is the denominator, make it the numerator. So this is the reciprocal of 7. 1 over 7. 6 times 1, 13 times 7, 6 and 91. Okay. Then we have the fourth one, it's 3. It's written in the form of a mixed fraction and divided by 4. So first simplify it, write it in the form of an improper fraction, because it's a mixed fraction, and mixed fraction when written in the form of a proper fraction, then it will be done in this way. This is 2, right? So 2, this 3 is a whole number, times 3. We have learned all these things, right? Then plus this 1 divided by this 2, right? So this will become 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So this will become 7 over 2. So this is 7 over 2 and divided by 4. Solve for this. So this will be 7 over 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 4. This will become 7 over 2 multiplied by, what will be reciprocal of 4? 4 can be written as 4 over 1, and the reciprocal of 4 over 1 will be 1 over 4. The denominator has been made numerator and the numerator has been made the denominator. So this is the reciprocal. So 1 over 4. This will become 7 times 1 and 2 times 4. So this will be 7 over 8. The last one is 4, 3 over 7, mixed fraction divided by 7. First, find out what will be the improper fraction of this one. So if you convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, that will be 7 times 4 plus 3 divided by 7. This will be 28 plus 3 divided by 7. This will be 31 divided by 7. So this mixed fraction can be written in the form of the improper fraction as 31 over 7 divided by 7. This will be 31 over 7 multiplied by reciprocal of 7. So if you solve it, this is 31 over 7 multiplied by 7 can be written as 7 over 1. So the inverse of reciprocal of this will be 1 over 7. This will become 31 and then 49.